Today on KARS, Kinetic Auto Racing Systems, we're racing lookalikes. Stock versus quick cars. Every quick car has been tapped, rivets replaced with button head screws, and strategically weighted for maximum performance. Each pair runs both lanes. Fastest time moves on. Let's race. First up is the green GT Scorcher. The quick car is 41 grams and the stock is 33 grams. This is a lane swap format. The best time counts. Alright, let's switch lanes. And your fastest GT Scorcher is the stock. Next up, Supercharged electric running cars. The blue one with the Hot Wheels logo is a stock, weighing in at 36 grams. And I got a red NHRA, weighing in at 63 grams. Power versus precision. Let's see what weight does. That lane was fast. Let's see what this one does. Fastest car is the red quick car. Next up, we got the 19. This is a metallic teal. Stock version 41 grams. Quick car 62 grams. The rear engine car adds mass with a clean launch. And fastest GT40 is the stock version. Last up, we have the gold Volkswagen Käfers. These Käfer Racers both weigh in at 39 grams. The quick car version has been tapped and screwed. The stock version still has its factory rivets. Equal weight. Let's see what happens. Moving quick car to lane 2. And the winner is the stock version. Now it's time for the fastest car of today. We take the fastest car of the day and we face it off with the quickest in our series. challenge car today is going to be the Lamborghini Hurricane. This Lamborghini Hurricane is weighing in at 29 grams. Let's swap them out. And the result is the Volkswagen. I have a bonus treat, and if that wasn't enough, a 2020 Colin said Jesco metallic blue flake forward swept wing car weighing in at 60 grams. Let's send it. And the result is the Copenhagen Jesco. Let's swap them out. Your ultimate winner for today's races is the gold Volkswagen Käfer Racer stock version. This is KARS, KARS, Kinetic Auto Racing Systems. Stock versus tune, weight versus balance, build versus factory. Love speed, subscribe. See you at the line.